Hello, have you experienced these horrible lines when colouring in Photoshop? Let's fix it. There are two main methods of dealing with this issue. Which one you use will depend on whether your line art is using aliasing or anti-aliasing. If we take a look at this line art that I created in Illustrator and open it in Photoshop, you'll see that we have an option to make it aliased or anti-aliased. Let's check out the anti-aliasing quickly. Here you can see if we zoom in, there is anti-aliasing around the line art. This means that if you try to colour on the same layer, these lines will appear. If we don't check that box when importing the file, you can see that we're given a much cleaner line art without any anti-aliasing, which means that if we want to fill it with a colour, we don't get those lines. Let's say you have a file and it has anti-aliasing. How do we deal with that? We can use threshold. So if we go down here, click threshold. Now you need a background layer for this to work properly. Highlight all three layers and merge them. Then go to select, color range, click on your line art, click OK, hit Ctrl J, delete that other layer, make another background layer. And here we have our line art completely separate from our background again, with no anti-aliasing. But what if you want to keep your anti-aliasing? Simple, we use layers. Create a layer underneath your line art. This is my line art. This is going to be my colouring layer. And then you just colour. And you don't get any of those horrible lines. Simple as that. The true nightmare. Flattened anti-aliased artwork. Yep. Can't do much with this. The same problem. But wait! There's a secret trick. Using the brush tool and blending modes. If we change the blending mode to multiply. Oh yes. Beautiful. Subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials.